Everybody, it's Saturday, just checking in, getting a lot of stuff done here. On Saturday, headed to Camco next week to speak at Arrowhead. I'm online right now, and I'm chatting with this guy that does fences in Omaha, and he's telling me how he got scammed by Hearth. At some point, I don't understand when people will wake up and see that Hearth, Acorn, and ENHANCIFY are not lenders. They take a soft credit pull application through a fintech tool, and then they send it to personal loan entities like Prosper, One Main Financial, Lending Tree, Egghead, like all these different companies that give you a personal loan. Now, you go to your mailbox and you probably get these offers all the time. The issue is that the interest rates that these three entities are charging your customers for these non-home improvement loans are between 25 and 38%. And then one of those entities, I'm not sure if it's Hearth or ENHANCIFY, they say we have a 0% promo for 18 months. It's not a promo, it's a credit card. It's just blatant lying that they're doing to these contractors. And the big headline and how they get these contractors to use them is no dealer fees. Of course, there's no dealer fees. It's a personal loan. Contractors that don't want to come on board with real lenders like Improvify and Service Finance and Interbank and Green Sky and Wells Fargo, so real lenders that offer retail installment contracts and real promos that are retail installment loans with closed end loop financing. If you don't want to enroll with a real lender, then do yourself a favor. Make a list of all of the places where they sell the loans to. It's on their website. The SoFi, Lightstream, One Main Financial, Prosper. You can use a direct link to every single one of the people that they send your application to. The problem is this. They're making 600 to 800 basis points on your loans. That's how they get paid. It says in the small print, they get paid and they make money off your loans. Like it just really says it in the legal agreement. So if you're not going to get enrolled with a real lender to offer financing, like the ones that I just listed, including Improvify, then at least just go direct to the personal loan entities to send your customers to. Now, mind you, they're personal loans. It's not closed loop retail installment contracts. The money goes directly to your homeowner. Now, if the homeowner wants to pay you, well, maybe they will, or maybe they'll hire Chuck in the truck. That's the benefit of going to a real lender. Like the list that I just gave you is that at least your money is protected through closed loop funding. That's why contractors love unsecured retail installment contract loans. It's just painful, man, to have these conversations over and over and over again on people that have gotten taken advantage of by these three entities. I don't really have anything against Acorn other than the fact that, the rates are 25 to 38%, and the take rate, the amount of consumers that actually say yes to the offer is like 7. Imagine 7% of the people that you offer financing to say yes. Who would say yes? Who would say yes to 25 or 38%? You're better off putting on a credit card and getting Sky Miles. Even if it's a $50,000 project, at least you're going to get Sky Miles on your Amex. So anyway, I hope this video helps. Anybody looking at the Hearth, ENHANCIFY, Acorn platforms. Furthermore, ENHANCIFY is running ads, and Hearth runs ads against all of us real lenders on Google. It says, what was the one from ENHANCIFY? Improvify alternative is the subject line that they got into Google to be on a sponsored page above our first 6 pages that we own on Google. It's just, that's when you know you've arrived. When these entities are literally spending ad money to get themselves placed on sponsored ads on Google. That's when you know that you've made an impact in the industry. So anyway, if you have questions on these three entities and you want a non-biased absolute truthful opinion on what they do and how they do it, reach out to me. Whether, again, you enroll with Improve-ify or not, I am here to protect you and protect your homeowners, because that's what matters to me, is protecting you. Furthermore, one of the three that I'm not even going to mention, because this is highly, highly criminal, sells the data to home warranty companies. So now imagine your customer through one of these three entities applied and they have this crazy interest rate. Now they have the data. They sell it to home warranty companies. So now the home warranties are pitching your customer in the email box. And I know this because a client that came onto our platform tested it. He wanted to see, before he canceled his agreement with one of them, what the experience was like. They sold his data. He lost his mind. He wasn't looking for a home warranty. He was just testing to see what the rates and the offers would be like, because he had a 736 credit score. He found out soon after, when he started getting offers from home warranty companies. So they're probably making money on the backside of those deals too. It's criminal. It just is. So if you're interested in financing and you're a contractor and you want a real opinion on good lending versus bad lending, reach out. Whether it's with Improve-ify or not, I would much rather you go to one of my competitors that's a real lender and get real lending for you and your business and to protect consumers than to go to one of these three clown outfits. All right. I hope this video helped somebody out there from getting taken advantage of. It's just every day I go in my inbox and in the groups how horrible HEARTH, ENHANCIFY, and ACORN are. It's just bad. Anyway, talk to you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.